How to block someone on Instagram. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how you will be able to block someone on Instagram. So first of all, just simply open your Instagram profile, and after that just simply go to the search icon from the list over here at the bottom menu, and from there just simply go to the search bar from the top of the screen, and over here just simply search for the person that you would want to block. So for example, I want to block this person right here. Just simply click on the three dot menu icon from their profile itself, and over here you will be able to see the option called restrict, block and report. So in order to block this person, you just simply have to click on block, and now a pop-up menu will appear and it will ask you to reconfirm your action while clicking on block again, and as you can see that you have successfully blocked this person right here. So this is basically how you will be able to block someone on Instagram. I hope you find this video to be helpful. So that is it for this video. If you find this video to be helpful, make sure to hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more such informative videos, and I'll see you the next time.